How's it going, YouTube? Mr. Reshoevn8r here on Christmas 2020. I'm so excited for this year to be over. 2020's been so crazy. 2021 I'm really looking forward to. We have some really cool things planned. This is one of the days, the 8 days of Christmas that we're doing. So for 8 days, we're giving an $800 gift away. We partnered with Many Worlds, Sneaker Knockers, and of course, Reshoevn8r. So super excited about that. We're actually going to be giving away one of these holiday boxes as well. So we'll tell you how to enter that. Look what I got. Kobe Grinches. Rest in peace. Super excited to clean these things. We're going to be using our signature kit today. I think that's it. I don't know, let me go to Matt. That's it? Nice. That's going to be it. Let's start this cleaning video.
Do you want a chance at winning a PS5? Well, listen up. To enter the giveaway, you must follow these 3 steps. Step 1, must be subscribed to Reshoevn8r and John Manalo's YouTube channel. Step 2, you must be following ManyWorlds.az and John Manalo's Instagram account. And step 3, you must answer the 2 questions in the description below. The giveaway will be running until December 31st, which I'll be going live on Many Worlds' Instagram account to announce the winner. Good luck, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
All right, so I'm gonna clean this left shoe. We're gonna go ahead and set that over there. We will be using the signature kit, as I mentioned before, just because there's some mesh material under here, and maybe if these brushes and the cleaning solution works, we won't have to do that, but I have a feeling just to get them tip top. We did buy these on eBay, I think, or somewhere. Where'd we get these things? eBay. So I think I'm just gonna put them in the washing machine because they are gonna go over to Many Worlds to be sold. So I wanna make sure that they're super clean. So without further ado, let's get started. We've got our solution here, just a couple squirts. Got that there. First brush we're gonna use, soft bristle brush. Cleaning up pretty good. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I got someone in my ear telling me, hey, don't forget to take out the laces. So let's take these laces out. Oh, you know what? Forgot this. I got my hand in a dirty used sneaker. So, again, shoe tree is great because you can hold on to the shoe tree. It also will keep the form of this toe box. We are getting a little bit of a snag on this, which is interesting. This shoe came out in 2010 on Christmas Day. So it's been exactly 10 years, really, almost to the day since this came out. All right, so that's gonna do it for the soft bristle brush. Again, for some reason, it's snagging this material, which is interesting to me. I'm gonna try this medium bristle brush. I'm gonna give the shoe a once over just to loosen the dirt even more, and then we'll move on to the stiff bristle brush to clean these soles and midsoles. That's worse. So I'm gonna avoid using the medium bristle brush on this tongue. I'll go back to it with that, but for some reason this just must be a really delicate material because it seems to be snagging even with our soft. After using this medium bristle brush, what I'm going to do is just kind of wipe off the suds to really assess where we are with this cleaning process. Overall, I think it's looking pretty good. So I do still see some staining in here, but I think as the comparison, they look pretty good. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and grab the stiff bristle brush. And I'm going over the painted midsole, but I'm just being really gentle just to get that friction, but I'm not pressing too hard, so I'm not going to peel that paint off. Again, guys, just let the brush do the work. There's no reason to apply too much pressure. I'm gonna go ahead and loosen the dirt with the medium. All right, so I'm gonna hit the uppers one more time with the medium bristle brush, see if I can get some of these deeper stains in this mesh out. All right, so we're gonna dry this shoe off again, take a look. Yeah, so the good thing about cleaning with the signature kit, I don't think I'm gonna have to put these in the washing machine. We may before we put them out for sale in many worlds, but for time purposes, actually need to hit that up again. I probably will just do the quick clean. That's what's so nice about the signature kit. You have the ability to do a deep clean or a quick clean. So if it's your first time purchase, this is what I would really recommend you picking up because it's just more versatile. Let me go ahead and get this a little bit better. Oh yeah, and if you pick one of these up today, you'll get entered into our drawing to potentially win an $800 gift from Reshoevn8r, Sneaker Knockers, or Mini Worlds, depending on what day it is. All right, guys, so this is coming out next year. So I just proved, don't be afraid to clean it if you have the original pair at 10 years old, but our cleaning products work great cleaning the shoe. I really thought we were gonna have to use the washing machine, but it cleaned up really well. So excited about that. This is, I guess, the last thing that I need to take care of. So we'll let that soak in there for a second. All right, guys, while the laces are soaking, let's get into this giveaway. This is our 2020 holiday gift set. So you can enter to win by commenting below your favorite holiday movie along with your Instagram handle. We'll be choosing one winner. Additionally, if you just want to pick one up as a gift or for yourself, they are available on the website while supplies last. There's only a few, so go ahead and pick one of those up before they get out. And really, we're gonna go ahead and finish this cleaning. This is really gonna conclude this video. Again, thank you guys. 2020 has been one hell of a ride. We have some great things happening in 2021, so make sure you stay tuned. I know Vic Almighty's got some tricks up his sleeve, so looking forward to that. Again, leave a comment, hit that like button, and that's really gonna do it. We're gonna go ahead and end this video with some B-roll so you can check it out. That's it, Mr. Reshoevn8r into 2020. Peace.